Hi friends, welcome to our new episode of 18 job options for a mechanical engineering job series, R&D job chances for a mechanical engineer. As you know, we are identified 18 jobs that a mechanical engineer can do. They are mining industry, defense industry, process industry, production industry, R&D organization, design field, automobile industry, marine field, aerospace field, HVAC sector, other government sector jobs, construction field, sales and marketing, teaching, entrepreneurship, mechanical engineering consultancy, other fields like bank job, IT field, etc. and higher studies. First four categories we already discussed in our previous videos. Today we are going to discuss what are the job chances in R&D section, and also we are going to discuss how we will get jobs in R&D sector. Before that, I would like to say one thing. Lots of students are asking me for where we will get a good study materials and where we will get a good online coaching center for competitive exams or GATE preparation. Recently, I am going through a study material and an online class for GATE preparation. I found this as a marvelous. Its name is Unacademy. Are you in the final year of graduation and prepare for a GATE or ESC examination? Then you are at the right place. Unacademy is back its CS, IT, EEE, ECE and mechanical engineering batches. The countdown has already begun for Unacademy GATE 2022 batch, where top educators of the country will be teaching 800 plus hours of live sessions. The batches are starting from 18th January 2021. Don't miss a single class, all live session, and prepare with the best Unacademy educators having more than 50 plus years of experience in teaching. You will get 800 plus hours of total lectures covering the full GATE or ESE course along with solving all your doubts. It will include comprehensive syllabus coverage, strategy, tips and tricks, practical questions and numericals. Subscribe now and use my code MECH10 MECH10 for getting extra 10% of discount. Now let us move towards the topic R&D job for a mechanical engineer. Research and development. R&D is the process by which a company works to obtain new knowledge that it might use to create new technology, products, service or systems that it will be either use or sell. Research and development is the set of innovative activities undertaken by corporations or governments in developing new services or products and improving existing ones. R&D activities differ from institution to institution, which two primarily model of R&D departments either staffed by engineers and tasked with directly developing new products, or staffed with industrial scientists and tasked with applied research in scientific or technological fields which may facilitate future product development. For understanding R&D field fully, let us discuss following in this video. Scope of R&D in India, R&D options for mechanical engineers in India, how to get jobs in R&D. Scope of R&D in India. India produces huge number of engineering and science graduates every year. The availability of this workforce at a low cost is the key differentiator between India and other countries. The cost of hiring researchers in India, for instance, is 1/5 of that of US. India's intellectual property regime is at the par with international standards. According to the World Intellectual Property Organization report, India has emerged as one among the top 3 countries that have shown strong growth in the patent cooperation treaty filings in 2018. It filed 2013 international patents applications in 2018 with the WIPO registering the highest growth of 27% globally. The primary reason for companies moving their R&D core operations to India is no longer just cost, but also by seeing India's massive startup ecosystem. Many MNCs are now increasingly outsourcing their corporate R&D efforts by investing in India's local startup ecosystem to create breakthrough in innovations that will help their parent companies. To encourage investment in R&D, Government of India offers various tax incentives. These include incentives on revenue and capital expenditure incurred by companies for carrying out R&D activities with respect to their business and the contributions made by them to regulatory institutions for carrying out scientific research. R&D options for mechanical engineers in India. CSIR laboratories, ISRO, DRDO, BARC, automobile industries, aerospace industries, other research centers. Let us see each category in detail. First one is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR laboratories. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR was established by the Government of India in September 1942 as an autonomous body that has emerged as the largest research and development organization in India. CSIR runs 38 laboratories and institutes, 39 outreach centers, 3 innovation centers and 5 units throughout the nation, with a collective staff of over 14,000 including a total 4,600 scientists and 8,000 technical and support personnel. The Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute CSIR CMERI Durgapur is public engineering research and development in the national level research institute in the field of mechanical engineering in India. Second one is Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. ISRO is one of the top research and development organizations in India, operates under the Department of Space, involved in the research activities relating to space, remote sensing, vehicle launch facilities and satellites. ISRO is one of the 6 government space agencies in the world which possess full launch capabilities, deploy cryogenic engines, launch extraterrestrial missions and operates large fleets of artificial intelligence. Some of the ISRO establishments are VSSC, SDSC, URSC, IPRC, LPSC, SAC, NRSC, ISTRAC, etc. etc. Next one is Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. The DRDO was formed in 1958, is an agency under the Department of Defense Research and Development of Ministry of Defense of the Government of India, charged with the military's research and development. DRDO has a network of 52 laboratories which has emerged in developing defense technologies covering various fields like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, land combat engineering, life science, material, missiles and naval system. DRDO is India's largest and most diverse research organization. The DRDO includes around 5,000 scientists belonging to the Defense Research and Development Service (DRDS) and about 25,000 other scientific, technical and supporting personnel. These are the locations of different DRDO labs and establishments in India. Next is Bhabha Atomic Research Center (BARC). BARC is India's premier nuclear research facility headquartered in Trombay, Mumbai, Maharashtra. BARC is multidisciplinary research center with extensive infrastructure for advanced research and development covering the entire spectrum of nuclear science, engineering and related areas. BARC's core mandate is to sustain peaceful applications of nuclear energy. Under BARC, there are 5 research centers, 2 nuclear power centers, 6 industries, 2 service organizations and 16 grant aid institutions are working. Next is R&D in automobile industry. Indian automobile industry currently accounts to 22% of country's manufacturing GDP and is one of the biggest job creator in the subcontinent. The automobile industry in India is the 5th largest in the world. In India, around 81 major manufacturing plants and hundreds of medium small automotive manufacturing plants and its allied industries are working. R&D activities of automobile field in India are conducted by ARAI in government sector and also private vehicle manufacturers are set up different research facilities. Automotive Research Association of India ARAI, Research Institute of the Automotive Industry with the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises, Government of India. ARAI departments and laboratories are spread over 3 locations in the around Pune. R&D facilities of different automobile manufacturers are shown in screen. Mercedes-Benz R&D India is located in Bangalore. General Motors Technical Center in India located in Bangalore, Rolls-Royce, Tata Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra. All these companies have R&D facilities in India. And major auto tier 1 companies like Bosch, Valero, Valeo, Magna to have their technical centers and lot of R&D works going on there in India. These are the major clusters of Indian automobile manufacturing center, mainly in Chennai and near Mumbai and Pune and nearby state capital Delhi. Next is R&D in aerospace industries. An aerospace manufacturer is a company or individual involved in the various aspects of designing, building, testing, selling and maintaining aircraft parts, missile, rockets or spacecraft. Aerospace is a high technology industry. India is now turning into one of the fastest growing defense and aerospace hubs. It has traditionally followed the transfer of technology model in the defense production ecosystem. Major manufacturing and R&D facilities in different aerospace companies in India are shown on screen. Last one is other R&D organizations. Some of the other organizations that a mechanical engineer can get the R&D career are General Electric, Ealton, Shell, Tata Research Development and Design Center, Petroleum Company R&D Centers, Marine Field R&D Centers, Pharmaceutical R&D Center, Amanda India Technical Center, Honeywell, etc. Now let us see how we will get a job in these R&D organizations. Some tips to get job in R&D organizations. Study mechanical engineering subject thoroughly and prepare for the competitive examination during college time itself. Get in early if you want to have a career in R&D. To become a part of R&D, one should target those profiles at the start of career. A lateral switch from any other function is unheard of in the industry. In India, BTech or BE is the minimum qualification for R&D. However, higher qualification like MS and PhD to have significant demand. In government sector like ISRO, BARC, DRDO and CSIR, their entry is through either GATE or organization's own written test. So prepare for GATE exam from college time itself. Apprenticeship in government institution like ISRO, DRDO, BARC will give you better exposure on core subject and practical experience. This will be added advantage for getting R&D jobs in private field also. Learn additive manufacturing knowledge through projects. Lots of R&D teams value this experience. Learn about how different materials are used for different applications. Get certified in DFSS, Design for Six Sigma. For getting R&D jobs straight after BTech or BE, college, you must be from a top college because these companies never visit private college which have low rankings. Resume. Your resume must be filled with lots of projects and so many other achievements. CGPA. You must have a decent CGPA in order to get selected for this company's interview. Internship. You should have some internship experience in your resume. If you have did your internship from any popular or top companies, then it will surely help you. Projects. If you have done some good projects, then it will make your chances more strong. Companies will surely ask some technical questions related to these projects in interview. That's all for this week's industry information. For the details of next categories of industries, please wait for the next video. Thank you.